Programming Made Easy with Target Standard 12 Computer Science 1 Guide. Based on the latest HSC Board syllabus, the notes follow question-answer format with detailed point-wise solutions. Decode the important topics with chapter-wise weightage. Navigate and study systematically with chapters divided into sections and subsections. Crack the pattern of questions asked with past board questions and a collection of board question papers. Get simple and easy solutions to all programming questions along with displayed outputs. Break down the complex concepts with simple explanations and relevant diagrams. Ace your practical exam with solved lab manual questions. With a large number of MCQs along with explanations, you'll have ample opportunity to practice and reinforce your knowledge. Get ready to ace your HSC boards with Target.